And you can click on this window. Yeah, you can click.
It will be a double MD file. Why the AVI doesn't work?
AVI is some problem with the video.
Ah, yeah.
Doing this mission.
You can see the things.
That's the end of the file.
I know it's only one set, just to compare.
You can stop the video.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also demonstrate in the video how you're studying the data.
Like this?
Yeah.
To show.
So you want to take the average of all those points?
Yeah, it will be good.